I just want to take a look at this. See how big it is? I wonder if anybody had slime in there. And you know what else I was wondering? Hang on, I'll show you. So did anyone wonder who passed gas today? What I meant to say was, does anyone know who broke the wind? It's about the winds. It looks like it's changing a bit outside, and just catching some live weather for you. Well, I hope this helps people out there, and you know, this isn't the stinky air. This is a fresh breeze. Looks pretty healthy to breathe in, if you catch my drift. Anyway, I am happy to see the results of the breeze. It looks very healing. Yeah. So I hope y'all get a fresh breath of air to help your journey in life. Become more free. Yeah. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay. Yep. There you go. All right. All right. That's beautiful. Okay, so just remember to breathe and enjoy the beauty that comes. Because in case you didn't notice, it's pretty windy today in some parts of the world. Okay, love you, bye.